Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this vampire style look. This was inspired by one of my favorite face chart artists, Milk1422. I've recreated a bunch of their face charts in the past, and when I saw this one I fell in love and knew I had to bring it to life. So let's get started. The first thing I did was apply my foundation on all over. I used a shade similar to my skin tone to help just even everything out. Then, because I am a vampire, I wanted to use a concealer that was much lighter and brighter than my skin tone to really lighten my skin, but also to help highlight and brighten certain areas. So I'm going to place this down the bridge of my nose, chin, cheekbones, and underneath where I'm going to be applying my contour. Then I'm just going to blend this out with my sponge. Moving on to contour, I'm going to use a mix between my usual contour shade and a black eyeshadow, and I'm placing this on my cheekbones, jawline, and I'm going to be a bit extra on the contour around my nose. I'm going to start my contour on the inner corner of my eye, right where my eyebrow hair begins, and bring this down the sides of my nose. Then I'm going to round out and make the tip of my nose look smaller. Then I added a super light and bright, almost kind of like a white or off-white color highlight down the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, Cupid's bow of my lip, and the inner corners of my eye. And again, I'm just going to darken and deepen that contour to better match the inspiration, using more of that black shadow. Then taking a bigger brush, I'm going to bring that black shadow down my neck, following my jawline. And then to blend my face, I'm just going to use a powder closer to my skin tone and just lightly buff this all over. Moving on to my eyes, I'm going to use a cream eyeliner on the waterline, top and bottom, so I'm going to rim both eyes. Then I'm going to add my colored contact lenses. I do have a discount code for you guys if you want to order some contact lenses for your Halloween costume. I'll post the link down below as well as the discount code. Now for the bat wings, these I actually just printed out and then used a glitter eyeliner over top to help make the detail pop more. And I use my eyelash glue to help stick this to my eyelid and forehead. Such a super easy way to add so much drama to this look. I love the way that this turned out. Then using my black water activated face paint, I'm using a super teeny tiny brush to create little lines, pulling up and away from the wings into my hairline. Kind of like veins, I guess. Then I'm going to use my black shadow and smudge this on my lower lash line corner to corner. And then again go back in with that teeny tiny brush and black face paint and continue the line detail under each eye. Once I'm done with the detail under each eye, I'm going to do the same effect on my neck. Then I added 2 sets of false lashes to give a lot of drama on the top lash line, and then a set of regular eyelashes on the bottom lash line. A lot of lash going on. For the lip, I used a matte liquid lip in black on my top lip, and then I used a super bright red on the bottom lip. Then just taking my tiny brush again, I'm going to pull from each corner a little bit of the black just to help darken and add more depth to the corners. Then I add my black wig and my little, I don't know what to call it, spider jewelry. So I made this by gluing 3 plastic gems together. They were actually bright blue and I just spray painted them red and black. Then I cut out the spider legs and glued those to the side of the center gem. And then using that same silver eyeliner I used to create the detail on the bat wings, I used that to create the little dots on the legs and gems. And just using eyelash glue, I stuck this right on my noggin on the gems and the bottom of each leg to help get them to stick up to give it that 3D effect. And that's it. So that's everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure you're still subscribed to my channel so you never miss a new video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok for even more day-to-day updates. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and all of your support. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.